Hello, friends. Today you will discover the story of this beautiful cat.
Yes. By the way, she is a very cute cat, and her name is Snowy.
Stay with us for the story, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share your opinion in the comments.
Come on, let's begin.
Mom, look at that little cat.
Oh no, she looks so scared.
She's shaking because she's cold.
Poor little kitty.
Don't worry, little cat. We won't hurt you.
She looks very hungry. Can we help her, Dad?
Of course we can. She can use my scarf.
That's so kind, Noah. You're helping her feel safe.
She's starting to trust us. I'll carry her carefully.
She's so tiny. Poor little baby.
She feels warmer already.
We're taking her home!
She'll be safe with us. She needs warmth and food.
Let's get home quickly. It's much warmer inside.
She looks less scared now. Let's help her slowly.
She's finally safe.
She needs to warm up first.
Her paws are so cold.
I feel bad for her. She's in good hands now.
Here's some fresh water and some food for her.
Good job, kids.
She must have been starving.
She was really hungry. She's eating so fast. Poor sweet cat.
She already feels safer. Let's clean her carefully. She's gonna look beautiful.
And smell much better.
Bath time for our little kitty.
It's okay, little kitty.
The warm water will help her. She still looks a little scared.
We'll be very gentle.
Look! Her fur is getting cleaner. She's just so fluffy under the dirt.
Poor Bee need a bath. She already looks healthier.
Where here?
She's feeling more comfortable now. This little cat is full of surprises.
She looks completely different now. She's so fluffy. Much better.
She smells clean now, too.
She looks happy now. I think she likes us.
Warm milk is coming. She finally feels at home.
Drink slowly, little kitty.
She's so calm now. She trusts us.
She knows we helped her. This box can be her little house.
I'll make it soft and cozy.
That's a wonderful idea. Let's build it together.
Now she has her own little door.
It's like a tiny cat vault. She's gonna sleep there every night.
She finally has a real home.
She needs a soft blanket. And stars on the outside.
It looks adorable.
She's going to love it.
She loves her new bed.
She looks so cozy. Now she feels safe and warm.
Welcome home, little Snowy.
Good morning, Snowy.
She slept all night in her little house.
She's exploring the house. She's not scared anymore.
She feels safe with us now.
She's part of the family already.
Snowy wants pancakes too.
These pancakes are not for cats.
She's very curious.
Look, Snowy, a toy for you.
She's chasing it.
She finally wants to play.
That's a very good sign.
I think she likes sitting with me. She looks so comfortable. She trusts Mom the most.
She knows Sarah saved her.
Her fur is so soft now. This ribbon will look beautiful on her.
She looks like a completely different cat.
Love changed her life.
She looks beautiful. Princess Snowy!
I need to take a picture.
She's the cutest cat ever.
She got scared. The thunder frightened her.
It's okay, Snowy.
She remembers being outside alone.
Your blanket is here, Snowy. And your favorite toy, too. She's calming down.
She knows she's safe indoors.
She wants cuddles now. She feels safe with us.
She's not alone anymore.
This is her family now. She slept with Mia all night.
She didn't want to be alone. She feels protected now. Snowy keeps following me. She wants to play.
She's becoming more energetic.
She finally feels happy.
Catch it, Snowy! She's so fast!
This is her happiest day yet.
Well, look at her running!
I'm drawing Snowy. Make her extra fluffy.
That's a beautiful picture. Snowy became part of our memories.
This is for Snowy. She's watching us.
She's very curious. She deserves fun things too.
She likes it.
Great job, Noah.
She always sleeps near us now.
Because we're her family.
She knows she's loved.
And we love her too. She's not scared anymore.
Because she's safe now.
She trusts us completely.
This house became her home. Snowy woke me up.
She wants breakfast.
Now Snowy eats breakfast with us.
She's really part of the family.
Saving her changed our lives too.
Sometimes kindness creates a new family.
Snowy loves watching the birds.
She looks so curious.
She enjoys peaceful mornings now.
This house makes her feel calm.
Catch the feather, Snowy! She jumped so high.
She's getting stronger every day.
She's full of energy now.
These treats are for Snowy.
She's waiting very patiently. She deserves something special.
Our little cat is spoiled already.
She loves it! She wants more!
I think the recipe worked.
Chef Snowy approves.
Snowy has her own fort now.
It's like a secret cat castle.
You two are very creative.
Snowy looks impressed.
This is the best fort ever.
Snowy loves being inside.
Hot chocolate delivery.
Everybody smile for the picture.
Snowy got trapped!
Hold still, little kitty.
She looks so confused.
This cat creates chaos everywhere.
Today was so much fun. Snowy played all day.
She's getting used to family life.
And she loves every minute of it.
Time for bed, Snowy.
Your blankets are ready. Good night, everyone.
Sweet dreams, little family.
Good night, Snowy.
See you in the morning.
She looks so peaceful.
She finally found her forever home.
Good morning, sleepy Snowy.
She looks so fluffy in the morning.
She slept very peacefully.
Snowy always follows the food. She loves breakfast time.
Here comes your milk, Snowy.
She's becoming spoiled.
This is our garden, Snowy. She's exploring outside now. Stay close to the house.
Everything is new for her.
She's chasing the butterfly. She looks so happy outside.
She's enjoying freedom.
This is a beautiful moment.
She saw her reflection. Careful near the water.
She's learning new things every day.
Snowy looks so peaceful.
She loves the sunshine.
She trusts this family completely. She finally has the life she deserves.
Today was perfect. Snowy loved the garden.
She had a beautiful day.
And tomorrow will be even better.
Snowy is in our family pictures now.
Because she's family.
These memories are very special.
We'll never forget the day we found her.
Good night, little Snowy.
Sleep well.
She looks so comfortable.
She knows she's loved.
I'm happy we found Snowy.
She changed our family forever
One act of kindness saves a
and gave us a new member of the family.
I hope you enjoyed Snowy's story. Don't forget to share your opinions in the comments.
Goodbye!